What's going on, y'all? Jonathan Barbecue here with Cowboy Charcoal, and today we're making ribeye antipasto bites. Let's get it. Natural, all hardwood briquettes here. You don't have to worry about using lighter fluid and imparting these bitter taste on your food. We're gonna start off with some salt, coarse black pepper. Woo! Man, that's gonna be good. I mean, come on, man, look at that. These are gonna be fire. Sweet cherry peppers as well as some aged cheddar there. And then we're gonna just roll it all together. Boom. Put a little olive oil over the top, a little more salt, pepper to finish off the job. Ribeye antipasto bites. Mmm.